Hello, welcome back again to this channel. If this is your first time in this channel, this is an automotive and travel channel. Welcome, and I really gonna make this video short, just responding a few questions. This video is about this truck here. It's a GMC Canyon truck. There's two door GMC Canyon truck, and this video I want to show you the location of the oil dipstick and the location of the transmission dipstick. Um, so uh, when you open the hood of this vehicle, this is what you see. Let me zoom in and see. So you can see it's a GMC Canyon. So this is what you see when you open the hood. Okay. So on your driver side, on your driver side right here, you can see the battery. The battery is right here. You can see the brake. That's why you put the brake fluid right there. So this is where the brake fluid goes, right here. You can see it says DOT3 brake fluid. So it takes the DOT3 brake fluid only. So when you move just right here, you see that that's the oil dipstick for this truck. So you just pull it. It's right there. So if you wanna check your oil levels, that's where you find the dipstick. So it's very easy to find. You can see the battery, the brake fluid, and the oil dipstick is right there. It's yellow. It's always yellow in most cars. Then we'll move up the other side to the passenger side. So now we are here on the passenger side. On the passenger side, you can see that's where you put your windshield washer fluid, and this way you put your coolant. That's a coolant container right there. So you can see. So right here, next to this too, you'll see this black thing here. See that black thing there? Let me zoom out. You can see it right there, sticking out right there. It opens like that. Then you pull it up like that. It pulls up like that. See? That's your transmission dipstick. It's on the passenger side of this truck, and the oil dipstick is on the driver side of this truck. So it's easy to tell. This one is black. The transmission yellow is for the oil. So make sure you don't get them mixed up. And to add your transmission, you just pull this up, get a funnel that can fit in here, and put your transmission fluid through here. That's how you add your transmission. So if you want to check your levels, that's where you find it. So to add your oil in this engine, you come here. So at the front of the engine, right here, you see by the blade cover here. You just move a little bit here. You see, that's where you put your oil, and the oil is 5W30 in this truck. It says right there, 5W30 in this truck. So you just open it and you put your oil in there. Okay, so it's easy. So that's an easy thing to do. So this that's all you need to know about the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick. Like I said, this will be a short video. So if you have any question or any comment, Just leave it there in the comment section. And if you have any question about these trucks, Chevy trucks, GMC trucks, GMC vans, just ask there in the comment section. Okay. So if this is your first time here, you can check out our other videos. We have a lot of videos, car videos and travel videos. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, have a good day, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.